Welcome to Crema Outdoor, founded in Montagnana, in the province of Padua, not far from Venice, in 1890. Crema Outdoor is a family business that has been handing down its know-how for 5 generations. This development process, rooted in our story, allows us today to create products of that quality that distinguishes the Made in Italy brand in the world. The care and attention to details, which each of our products shows, is possible thanks to the perfect fusion between manufacturing, craftsmanship, and the use of advanced technology machinery. The internal technical office designs every single details to obtain products intended for professional use, which is absolutely essential for high-end hospitality facilities. Our parasols are designed to be used in restaurants, on beaches, and hotel pools located along the coast. The particularly aggressive marine environment constantly requires us to look for suitable materials and suppliers. One of our strengths is absolutely the ability to customize colors, finishes, sizes, and support systems, just like a tailor-made suit. This makes our products particularly suitable for inclusion in furnishing projects of outdoor spaces that dialogue with indoor choices in a perfect marriage between the customer's personality and the need to choose objects intended for intensive use. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to our showroom. In the meantime, visit the virtual tour on our website cremaoutdoor.com.